Hello everyone. This is a video to introduce IRD306DP, our digital vibration meter. It comes in a hard case with its accessories, the meter, the sensor, the cable, the battery, the charger, stinger and magnet. The battery can be easily put in place. It runs on a single 9-volt battery that can be chargeable or rechargeable. There is just one switch to power on the instrument and one more switch to select the units. There is a 2-pin MRS connector on the cable for the meter end, and the other end goes to the sensor, which is a 2-pin MS connector. The sensor can be stud mounted, magnet mounted, or stinger mounted onto the target surface. The units can be kept to velocity or displacement, and the meter can read up to 200 per second RMS and 2000 microns peak to peak displacement. You can use the stinger in the following manner, and the stinger can help you reach the hard to access places, and you can read both in velocity and displacement.